Assalamu alaikum. How are you, class? Welcome back to your Islamiat class, and I hope you are doing well. Everything is going well with you. You know what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn about, yes, our religion, Islam. The topic is written Muslims and Islam. So you know that what is our religion? Our religion is Islam. Islam is our deen. We are Muslims, and it is our moral responsibility to obey Allah, to obey all the teachings of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, to know about the things he has told us. Um, what are we are going to do is, do you know that how on which thing we believe? We believe on one Allah and His last Prophet. In which thing do we confess this? We confess this thing in La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, there is no God but Allah, and Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is His last messenger. Let us read our chapter, Muslims and Islam. We are Muslims. Islam is our religion. Muslims are followers of Islam. Islam is the way of life of all Muslims. It is our deen. Islam teaches us to obey Allah. The word Islam means peace. The message of Islam is peace. All Muslims believe in only one Allah in the Quran and the Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Who are we? We are Muslims. What is our religion? Islam is our religion. And who are the followers of Islam? Muslims are followers of Islam. And what is the way of life? Islam is the way of life of all Muslims. What is our deen? Islam is our deen. What does Islam teach us? Islam teaches us to obey Allah. What does the word Islam mean? The word Islam means peace. And what is the message of Islam? The message of Islam is peace. All Muslims believe on what thing? All Muslims believe in only one Allah in the Quran and the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So children, this is about our things. Like, we need to know that our religion is Islam and we are having some kind of responsibilities and duties on us. We should obey every message of Islam. We should know that Islam is our religion and we should have to obey all the teachings given to us. Let us write, who are we? We are Muslims. So we are going to write some of the words. What are the spellings of Muslims? Muslims. Religion. 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 Islam. 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 Followers. 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 Okay, D. D. Then teachers. 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 Obey. Obey. Peace. 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 I think they are enough. You have to find them, underline them, and learn their spelling. Then we will write the question answers. Okay. Is it visible to you all? Class, please practice everything what we are learning here. Okay. So let us write question. Who are we and what is our religion? We are Muslims and our religion is Islam. We are Muslims and our religion is Islam. What does Islam teach us? Islam Islam teaches us to obey Allah. What does Islam teach us? Islam teaches us to obey Allah. What is the message of Islam? The message of Islam is peace. The message of Islam is peace. What do all Muslims believe in? All Muslims believe in only one Allah, in the Quran and the Holy Prophet. Only one Allah, in the Quran and the Holy Prophet. Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So children, this is our question answers. Now what we are going to do is Islam is the way of life of all dash. Use these words to fill in the blanks. Islam is the way of life of all Muslims. Okay, all Muslims. Our deen is Islam. The word Islam means peace. Muslims are the followers. I will write it down in a order. Islam is the way of life of all Muslims. Our deen is Islam. The word Islam means peace. Muslims are the followers of Islam. So these are Muslims, peace, is Muslims, Islam, peace, and followers. So do keep it in your mind that Islam is our religion. We are his followers. We are Muslims, and we have to believe on one Allah. And Islam teaches us. Islam means peace. The message of Islam is peace. Islam teaches us to obey Allah. These all are the things you have to keep in your mind, and you should know all the meanings that being a Muslim, it is a responsibility to know each and everything. This is for today. I hope you have understood the concept of Muslims and Islam, and I hope you people will do it all along and practice them well. Take care, my class. Take care of you. Do watch the videos, tell it to others, and spread the positivity. Take care. Allah Hafiz.